let's see how this outside recording goes then. The first time I've rode a bike in a long time. Feels weird, and I can... where did you come from? And kind of too much air in the tyres and wobbling around. Yeah, I can tell that the sprocket is bent more than I thought it would be. It's horrible pedaling, you can feel it. Can you hear that? It's chewing like shit on the chain. Just been hit in the head by a bee or something. Not good to ride with these shoes. Bloody traffic, man. Yeah, I hate this sprocket. It's chewing the shit out of the chain links now. I prefer the shaky shit. Obviously no suspension on this bloody bike. I wouldn't mind a BMX with suspension. I forgot what I was saying now. But I am actually fighting my anxiety. Let's go on to the dirt. Hey, we're on trails. Oh, it feels so weird to have the bars this wide. I'm so used to grabbing them on the curbs. I don't know which way to go. Bollocks. Let's go down Fowler Street. Nice little cruise. Brakeless. Yep, still recording. I'll probably end up at one of the parks closer to the coast. A little bit of speed cruising down Fowler Street. Either goodbye rear tyre or goodbye to my latest shoes, which are really comfortable but they're too soft for using as a brake. I doubt you can see me actually looking around. But I am certainly checking all angles for my own safety, as well as others. Naturally. Like, obviously. Oh god, my legs are not used to this at all. Wobbly, wobbly, wobbly. Nearly hit a younger seagull there. Now the point is avoiding the smackheads in this area. You can tell smackheads by how they're plodding along in a certain way that's like, you can just tell like, oh, breezy down here. So these smackheads or crackheads, hopefully you can hear me. Probably can't. Oh, a memorial thing here. I wonder what that's about. Yeah, when you see smackheads, crackheads, dopeheads, whatever, you know just by how they're stumbling around, and you've got to ride around them. I'm not saying everybody in this area does that, just some people. You can spot them easily. Right, if this light's on green, then I can go. It's not, but it's alright. Looks like that guy's on the phone, Lex text. When I just crossed the road there, he had his shoulder up. As if he was holding the phone. God, I hate the clicking of this sprocket. It would be easy to fix if I had like a metal file, and if I didn't have the chain on, I could realign the sprocket, but I can't be asked to do that right now. At least I'm out and about for a change. Oh, I'm going to have to go to the outside. Ooh, this is going to be tight. Ooh, I fucked that up. I'm not even going to risk a bunny hop when I'm not used to the bike at all. Let's go into the park, and well, one of the many parks in this town, and I'm going to chill for a bit. It'll be a lot safer for everybody if I just go up the back lane. Or it might not be with the amount of killer seagulls here. Ah crap, I forgot there's a high hill up here. The chain will probably snap trying to make it up there. Ooh, still recording. Yay me. Or yay the phone. Yep, around this area, or rather the area I've just passed, you can certainly smell the autumn fragrances. Christ, I can't do this, my legs are worse than jelly. Fuck it, let's go up the fucking top. I'm challenging myself. Stinks of green, dope or weed around here, I can't stand it. Can't stand the smell. Like I was saying, the route that I chose to take there's a lot of nice spiced food you can smell coming from various restaurants. Hell of a workout. My leg's absolute jelly now, but I am trying. Whew. Not a comfortable bike at all. I'm just gonna chill out up here for a few minutes. Well, I would, unless you're gonna take it. I'll have this seat. Oh, in memory of somebody. Right, I'm going to stop recording until I get my breath back. What you hear in the distance is kind of like a tour train. It just goes around the local pond. where the monster lives. Can you see I'm breathing? It's because this phone is on my chest, so whatever. I did not expect to be able to actually get out and do this type of video today. But as I did that premiered video, part 4 of working on this bike, hope you can see there, I thought, okay, I might as well take the risk. So I will actually have accomplishments. A huge one today, which is actually getting out. When I came out, I didn't know which way I was going to go, so once I was out, I started recording. I made the effort and I'm proud of myself. Although my right foot is cramping up because I'm certainly not used to riding a bike. I'm not even very good with walking anymore. I am trying though. I guess you're going to ask me if I'm ever going to go to even the closest skate park. I could show you around there someday, I guess. Yet again, on this channel, anyway. Yeah, I've shown you briefly in the past on this channel, the local skate park. That skate park and I go back many years. I'm basically just surprised that this bike is standing up pretty well, even though obviously, like I've said before, I know what I'm doing when it comes to bikes. Yeah, so about the nearest skate park. I'm not going to sit here and give you a massive history of the place. But will I ride skate parks again? Nope. I'm basically too old for it. Too physically old. Although I do enjoy watching bike videos. I certainly will never ride flatland or any type of freestyle bike again. It was actually in this park where I had my last little ride on my custom built flatland bike, and well, I just said goodbye to it. I gave up on that style of riding. It was bloody tragic. But it's okay, I guess, because the time is over and I'm never going to be able to do that again. It's kind of nice to just sit here and contemplate on things. I can't believe I actually made it up that hill. Oh, there's skanky people along the pathway. Somewhat way along the left now. Loads of teenagers. Dressed like whores. It's disgusting. Always hanging around looking for a specific thing. Basically, they are prostitutes that don't expect to be paid. Or do they? Anyway, I'm out of this area now. I can't stand people like that. Let's go. I'm not moving away now because I'm scared. I'm moving away because I can't stand idiots like that. But the main reason is I hate staying in one place for too long. Trying to think of which way to go. I could go around. Oh God, not this idiot approaching me. I'll just ignore him. I could go around the Tesco area. Nah, I'm not going that way. Did you see that dog? That is a pot husky, I think. Oh, there's Johnny. Alright, mate.
Your lighter, please.
Mine's just broke, sorry.
Can I use this?
That's just gone out. We've always got somebody to rely on. See you later. Yeah, like I was saying, I could go left or I could go right. And I really don't feel like going down that hill. Yeah, I'm gonna go that way. Onto the psychopath. If I don't die in traffic in the meantime. Oh, is the term meantime meaning like meanwhile, which is a big part of the Top Gear TV program thing. Ow, my ass bones hurt. You must be able to hear that clicking, right? It's the front sprocket. It's not really a rear sprocket, it's a driver. Or you could call them freewheel. God, this video must be shaky as hell. But what's hell actually shaky as? A brum brum brum. Maybe you thought I was going to crash into something there. No, I'm just swerving around a bit. Slightly getting the grips with this bike. It would help a lot if I had a rear brake. A helmet cam would be even better than what you're seeing now. I mean, like, compared to the setup I have now. People must think I've been down the skate park. Nah, I'm just cruising around. So is it with pressure that caused... Nope, it clicked already. I mean, it clicks just... I'm barely putting any pressure on the pedals. So... bit of pressure to accelerate. It's actually clicking slightly less. So I guess it's when the chain is on the bottom of the sprocket, it's coming off the tooth, and it's the problem with it pulling away from the tooth. This makes me presume that it's a deeper into the tooth problem. Whee! Whoa! No hands! Whoa! Bird alert. Shit, I've missed my stop. Let's take a shortcut. Jump the fence. This is another risk. I could bloody fall over, and you never know where the hell cars are coming from. God, my legs are so weird walking now. There's a gap up there. Wish I could have just walked up to. But whatever, shit happens. Barky, barky, barky. It's strange, but I think that BMX bike riding is like, it makes me more feminine. How does that work? Right, I'm gonna get a drink as I need to be hydrated. I'm gonna pop into this shop. Just down, like that way is North Shields, and I'm currently residing in South Shields. So you have the river, not just down this bank, it goes like way further, and I thought somebody was shouting at me there, so I had to twist round. The Roman fort of South Shields, known as the Arbea Roman fort, is just, I think, in the centre of the screen and slightly to the right, somewhere around there. Maybe someday I'll visit that, but just got to get on with the current stuff going on in my life. Bloody leg. Let's take it this way, down the back lane. Quite a bit more peaceful. Yeah, I don't want to do any more damage to my legs. I've done what I can today. Bit of rock work down there, if you can see those flowers. Somebody stuck in the ground. Nice. As there's just weeds growing around here. So I don't want to rip the shit out of these shoes as they're soft, and I've already really wrecked them already. I'll show you when I'm back. When I'm back home, that is. Or my home for the time being. Yeah, I don't want to cause myself any physical damage by slowing down, and I don't want to wreck my clothes, namely my shoes. I need to get a back brake sorted on this. I don't trust front brakes at all. Look at a massive hole. You probably didn't see that. Right, let's get me back home. Oh, the breeze around here is really nice. This front tyre looks too new, I'm going to have to swerve around. Well, you know what place this is, right? Pointless. Humanist ceremony, the whole marriage shit. I can't say anymore, but she's out of my life. So far, so good, anyway. I say too much, but I still care, and I can't fucking help it. Whee! Whoop! Rest in peace, Chloe and Liam, victims of that ridiculous incident in Manchester. Wheeze! Whoa! Actually came off the ground there. Cruising on Beach Road, I think this is. But Fowler Street's down there. I know that Beach Road is ahead of me, but I don't know if this basically area is Beach Road as well. Well, yeah, it's got to be, because there's solicitors and yoga places and where Jimi Hendrix apparently got back into playing guitar. That was somewhere just over the road there. I mentioned that in one of my videos a few months ago. Alright, I'll go to the church and then end this video. But I won't forget to show you the minimal amount I've used my shoe to slow myself down, and how much damage it's done. But these shoes are not designed to be used on a bike tire. Right, you're all indicating right, but can I fucking trust you? I nearly got hit by a car when I was just walking the other day because some daft cunt didn't indicate. It's not very likely that the indicator wasn't even working. Oh, I'm not going to fit through this gap, am I? Ah! Mickey fly things right in my bloody face. Well, you will see me when I'm back in just a moment. What you just witnessed was weeks ago. I still have the same shoes. Pretty messed up. But this is... oh god, they're smelly. Ugh. Right. About the damage, as I pretty much promised you that I would show you. It's just like worn off there. I doubt you can see how deep this dent is. But these are really lightweight shoes. The name has worn off inside, I guess. But it's just some shoes that I bought on Amazon for about £25, and nice and lightweight, just really comfortable. But I need some decent skate shoes if I'm going to be riding a bike. I haven't been out on it since that video. Put my shoe back on now. I can put my shoe back on now. I guess I'll leave this video there. Thanks for watching. Peace out.